Today's project is going to be toys, mainly my 4-year-old's toys. So we're going to get all her toys organized, and her room, that's a disaster right now because we're still in that transitioning her out of the room that she shares right now with her sisters. Let me just show you guys. We've been keeping all of her toys in here, and we also put furniture in here that we are no longer using and we need to sell or get rid of. But first, we're going to address the toy situation. Some toys are going to stay in here, more of the fun toys, and then I have an area out in the living room that I'm going to set up as more of a learning area, learning corner. And then I'm also going to be putting some toys in the closet in our hallway that we use as a storage closet, because I do a toy rotation. That way she doesn't have every single toy out all the time. All of this just goes hand in hand with homeschool. Us having a organized space and me knowing where everything is super helpful for me not to be flustered and stressed and, trying to get things together. This is my first year kind of really homeschooling with 3 kids. Last year we did pre-K with my 3rd and 4th grader, but now my youngest is in kinder, so we have a kindergartner, a 4th grader, and a 5th grader. Here's how that room looked the next day. I feel like you can't really tell a difference. Everything was just more organized. I just needed to actually put things away now. After I cleared out all the toys and put them all away where they belonged, I sat down with my file box and all of our work from the last school year and went through all of it. I also had just random things that I would just throw on top of here. So it felt really, really good to get this done. After I finished with that, I finished bringing out all of the furniture that did not belong and moved some things around to give me a general idea of how the room is going to look once we get her a bed and she gets all set up. This is going to be the first time that all 3 kids have their own room, so it's pretty cool. I really like it for all of them to have their own space. But yeah, so now I'm stuck with all this stuff out here. So the next step was for me to get all the toys, the bins that I had for this closet of all the toys that we're not going to be currently using. That's for like toy rotation. I needed to put them in there, but I also needed to give the closet a little zhuzhing around. Obviously, at the very top, I have some Christmas decor, and then I have all of our toys for toy rotation with sensory bins. And then I have school stuff here in this shelf. It's old curriculum or curriculum for the future, coloring books, and just like some extra stuff that I decided to keep. I do purge quite a bit, so I wanted to make sure that I only put stuff up here that I know that we could use and that we would use. So in the center here, I have all of my kindergartner stuff, things that I can just pull easily to do activities with her. And then the bottom is games and puzzles for my older kids and like family stuff. And yeah, so everything is looking great. I'm super excited for the first day of school. Everything is so organized and I'm like so happy I'm gonna know where everything is. And lastly, here is the corner. I put the nuggets all the way to the left and brought out this little bookshelf and this other bookshelf, and I haven't, set it all up, but I have a cute little vision for it for the first day of school. So we will see you guys in that video. Bye.